Hey guys, okay, so, we are actually in a tornado watch. The sirens have gone off. Um, you know, at that point, you go to your cellar or your basement, or if you don't have either one, you find a room with no windows and not against an outside wall. Meaning my closet, which has zero windows, is out of the question because it shares an outside wall. So we're actually in the bathroom, in the tub right now, which is, they say, the safest place to be when you're in a tornado watch, tornado warning. Um, we had about, I'd say, I don't know, quarter size hail. And, it was the first time I've ever seen hail that big. Um, and so right now they're saying that there is a tornado on the way to where I'm living. So right now we're hunkered down in the bathroom. John is hunkered down. You can see he's got his blanket, books. I put some cushions in there. The dog's got a blanket here on the floor. I've got my laptop. I'm watching the local news stations. I've got the Weather Channel uploaded on there. I'm hunkering down. They're not sure. They're keeping it in effect until like 8 something. Actually, it would now be over. So, hang on, guys. Let me actually check the Weather Channel for the latest update. So, hang on one second. Okay. Hang on, guys. I'm checking right now. Major. So, right now we're just sort of kind of hanging out in the bathroom. Hey, baby, you need to get back in the tub. You want more Cheetos? Okay. So right now I'm trying to keep him happy, feeding him and the dog Cheetos. What kid would not love to have this sort of camp out? You camp out in the bathtub, eating Cheetos and hanging out with your mom and your dog. I don't know what kid wouldn't like that. I've already sent a message to all my friends, all my family members that I can text. Mom, Dad, you seriously need to start leaving your phones off so if something like this happens, I can send you a text. I don't want to be calling anybody for fear that the lines get knocked down and I get cut off. So right now we're doing okay. We're just kind of hanging out. Let me show you guys real quick what it looks like outside. It's really, really dark. Earlier it rained like a freak. And it was pretty bad. I thought my car was gonna float away. That's how much it rained. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see the clouds. Now it's 8 o'clock in the evening, and usually right now on a normal day it's still bright and sunny out. You can still see the lightning and occasionally hear the thunder. They're still calling for a tornado here. So I just wanted to kind of update, and I'm not gonna go out and start chasing the darn thing. I'm not that stupid. Yeah, you go back in the bathroom, baby. Hang out in the tub, okay? And what's funny is that right before the sirens started going off, it was like all life, like birds and all that just disappeared. It was really odd, and I stepped outside earlier before the warnings and before all that, and come on, babe, let's go, come on. And I actually took the dog out, and this was before everything started happening. Yes, baby, get in the tub and I'll give you more Cheetos. And it was just eerily, there was like a pressure, you could just feel it. So, you know, it was really interesting to see that. And, you know, it was one of these things that just really odd. Major, no. Major. So, right now we're just hanging out in the bathroom, waiting for the storm to pass, I guess. I honestly don't know what else to do. I brought books in for John. I've got my computer going. I may try and plug it up to an outlet right here to keep it charged.